Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best chalkboard sign is probably one of the most cherished and memorable ways to capture those precious last moments of the school year, allowing students, parents, and teachers to commemorate achievements, inside jokes, and the overall feeling of accomplishment before the summer break begins, making it an essential prop for creating lasting memories and celebrating the end of an academic chapter with a touch of personal flair and a whole lot of fun. Number 5. Pearhead first and last day of school chalkboard. Make every school year memorable with this adorable apple-shaped chalkboard. It's perfect for capturing those precious first and last day of school photos. This reusable board is double-sided, offering ample space to write your child's grade, age, and favorite things. It's designed for years of use. Simply fill in the details with the included yellow chalk and wipe clean to reuse for the next milestone. It's a hassle-free way to document their growth. Use it as a fun photo prop to showcase your child's journey through school. These pictures will become cherished memories. Preserve these special moments with this charming chalkboard. It's a wonderful way to look back on their academic achievements. What we like? This one is shaped like an apple, which is super cute and festive for the first day of school. It's also double-sided, so you get both the first and last day covered. If you like a fun, themed design and want everything included to get started right away, you should consider this. What people say. Great for pictures and easy to store. Wipes off easily. I have 2 school-age kids. The chalk doesn't leave a mark when you erased it. This is the cutest, sturdiest little board. So simple, no extra fluff. Perfect for my needs and exactly what I wanted and was looking for. Number 4. PETCEE first day of school board sign. The first and last day of school are important moments in your child's journey. This sign helps you cherish these milestones, looking back at their growth and forward to their future. Get both the first day and last day in a single, convenient sign. It's a smart way to save money and capture both ends of the school year. Easily write your child's details with chalk or liquid markers. A quick wipe with a damp cloth or tissue makes it ready for the next memory. Crafted from sturdy, waterproof density board, it's built to last. The 11 by 14 size is ideal for photos, yet light enough for kids to hold. Perfect for documenting the first and last day from preschool through college. Record their name, grade, and date to create treasured photo memories for years to come. This versatile sign makes a thoughtful gift for any student. It's a wonderful way to commemorate their academic journey and create lasting keepsakes. What we like? This board is quite large and made from a sturdy, waterproof material, making it durable for years of use. It's perfect for clearly recording all the important details like name, grade, and date for great photos. If you're looking for a substantial, long-lasting sign that captures every detail of your child's academic journey, this is a great choice. What people say. It has to be liquid chalk pens or markers or whatever. But it works great with those and wipes off perfectly clean. It's double-sided and chalk markers write so smoothly on it. Really good quality because it actually wipes away, doesn't get stained up like a lot of other chalkboards do. Very sturdy. We have been using frequently and it has been holding up well. Number 3. Double-sided first day of school sign board. Mark the first and last day of school with this reusable sign. It's designed to spark creativity and make memories that last. Featuring classic early childhood elements, this board encourages children to express themselves. It's perfect for preschool through elementary school. This sign comes ready for your child's artistic touch. The non-porous surface is easy to wipe clean and dries quickly, ready for the next masterpiece. Crafted from sturdy material with rounded corners, it's built for little hands. This board is designed for long-lasting use throughout the school year. Use it to record precious memories, as a fun photo prop, or even as a charming home decoration. It's a versatile tool for celebrating your child's journey. With ample space for free expression, your child can personalize their back-to-school message. It's an ideal way for them to showcase their unique style. What we like? This sign incorporates classic early childhood teaching elements to spark your child's interest, and it offers extra space for them to get creative. The rounded corners also add an extra layer of safety. If you want a board that encourages your child's artistic expression and is safe for them to handle, this is the one for you. What people say. The colors are vibrant, it's perfectly sized for kids to hold, and it wipes clean in seconds. I love that it's double-sided, one side for the first day, one for the last, so you capture the whole school year with a single purchase. The 12 by 10 inch size is sturdy but lightweight, with rounded corners that feel safe for little hands. The surface is smooth and non-porous, so water-based crayons or markers work perfectly and clean up without ghost marks. It's also quite thin but sturdy. The print on it is bright and legible, easily stores in the closet, and wipes easily. Bright chalk colors. Used for first day of school photos. Loved the questions. Good size for 5-year-old to hold. Easy to clean. Number 2. Melisheer first and last day of school chalkboard. Mark the excitement of the first day and reflect on achievements on the last day with this elegantly designed double-sided board. It's perfect for capturing the journey of your child's school year. Easily personalize this board with chalk, crayons, or markers. It's designed for smooth writing, making it simple to create a unique keepsake for your child. Preserve precious school memories by taking a photo of your child with their sign. This is a wonderful way to document their growth and achievements throughout the school year. Crafted from sturdy, thick board with rounded edges, this sign is built to last. It's also designed to be safe for little hands, ensuring durability and peace of mind. This versatile board is perfect for tracking every milestone, from preschool all the way to college. You can record names, grades, dates, and even their favorite things. Create a timeless keepsake that celebrates your child's educational journey. This board is an ideal way to remember their school days for years to come. What we like. It features an elegantly designed layout that makes personalization a breeze with various writing tools. This creates a truly special keepsake to capture those unforgettable moments. If you value a stylish aesthetic and want a smooth, easy writing experience to create a personalized memory, this is an excellent option. What people say. Easy to write on with white marker. Easy to write on with chalk markers, and easy to clean. Sturdy. Look nice with chalk marker written on it. Number 1. Melisheer Reversible first and last day of school sign. Introducing the ultimate way to remember your child's school journey. This dual-sided board is perfect for capturing both the excitement of the first day and the pride of the last. Make it uniquely yours. It works seamlessly with chalk or markers, allowing for smudge-proof customization to document your child's growth each year. Document every milestone with this sign, ideal for adorable photos, scrapbooking, and sharing those precious back-to-school moments. Crafted with premium 3-layer construction, this board is sturdy and resists bending. Its softly sanded edges ensure safe handling for years to come. This versatile supply is perfect for every stage, from daycare through elementary school. It includes space to write the grade, teacher, year, and dreams. What we like. This board boasts a premium 3-layer construction for durability and offers smudge-proof customization, ensuring your child's growth journey is documented clearly. It's versatile enough to be used from daycare through elementary school. If you need a robust, reliable sign that will last and adapt as your child progresses through their school years, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. Easy to write on with white marker. Easy to write on with chalk markers, and easy to clean. Looks nice with chalk marker written on it. Seems like it will be good for years to come if stored properly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.